What is up, everyone? Hello, welcome back. It's Dave from Quarter Flips. I'm back from California. I've been back for a little bit. Uploaded those last 3 videos about my trip to California. Check those out if you haven't. And yeah, while I was down there, we crossed the milestone of 500 subscribers on this channel. You know that means it's time to give away another thermal label printer. Yes, I have another iDPRT thermal label printer. Let things better, faster, and vital. They haven't fixed that yet. It's still just as awesome as it always was, right there. This one just came brand new for the giveaway. It's in a crushed box, which is super annoying to me because I paid for a brand new printer, but the box it came in wasn't crushed, so this must have fallen on the shelf at the factory or the warehouse while they were packing it. It's kind of annoying. The one thing I will say though is it's nicely packed with foam. There's no damage to the printer. It's brand new, coming your way. All you have to do to win this printer is comment in this video. Put a comment down in the comments section letting me know your favorite song. Now, it doesn't have to be your favorite song. It just has to be a song. Tell me the song. You can say what band it is so I can go look it up and check it out. But put a song in there. And if you don't have a favorite song, if you're one of those people, and I understand, I have come to understand that these people exist in great numbers. If you're one of those people who doesn't like the question to the point where answering it will cause you some distress, I won't think it's your favorite song and judge you by it. I will just think it's a song that you used for your answers. Just put a song in the comments, and as long as when I do a random comment picker in 1 week, if there's the name of a song, you win this thermal label printer. It's easy, right? You have to be subscribed. I don't really have a way to check, but you do have to be subscribed. So subscribe to the channel, like this video, and put a comment. And on Wednesday, September 22nd, I'm really losing track of time here. On Wednesday, September 22nd, at the very end of the day, like after midnight, I will run the comment picker. And on Thursday, I'll put up a video announcing who won and how to get in touch with me. These things are awesome. I did not have one for years. I got one just a few months ago, made a video about it, and it has changed my life. It's really changed the reselling game. If you already have one and you win, you could resell it. Or you could give it away to someone. You could pass on the good luck to some other seller that you know or some other seller you like that doesn't have one. And I'm not going to judge you either way, whichever you want to do. We're resellers. We get something like this, we can resell them. But it's also cool to pass stuff along. So whatever it is you want to do, you win it, it's yours. Okay, so that's it. Very, very simple. This is for 500 subscribers. At 1,000 subscribers, which I will hopefully hit, I'd love to hit it by the end of the year, but I can understand if it takes a little bit into the new year to get there. 1,000 is a big deal. It's a big deal number. I've never had a channel with 1,000 subscribers before. I'm excited to get there. At 1,000, I'll do another giveaway. So this is it until then. So spread the word about the channel if you're enjoying it. And thank you very much. Please like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And get in your entries to win. Thank you. I'll see you in a week with the answers. And I'll probably have at least one video in between.